Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some questions from vector algebra. Exercise 10.4, second question. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector a plus b and vector a minus b, where vector a is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, vector b is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector a plus b and vector a minus b. Okay, how we can find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector a plus b and a minus b, that is n cap is equal to plus or minus a vector a plus b cross vector a minus b divided by magnitude of vector a plus b cross a minus b. Understood? N cap is equal to plus or minus vector a plus b cross a minus b divided by modulus of a plus b cross a minus b. Okay, then first we should find vector a plus vector b. Vector a plus vector b means vector a and vector b are given there. 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap plus vector b means that is I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap, that is equal to 3 plus 1 means that is 4i cap plus 2 plus 2 means that is 4j cap plus 2k minus 2k means that is 0k cap. So no need to write the 0k cap. Then next we should find vector a minus vector b, that is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap minus I cap minus plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Am I correct? Okay, then that is equal to 3i cap minus I cap means that is 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 2j cap means that is 0. Then plus 2k cap plus 2k cap means that is 4k cap. Okay. Then next we should find a plus b cross a minus b. Okay, next step. Vector a plus vector b cross vector a minus vector b, that is equal to, how we can find out the cross product? By using determinant. Okay, determinant I j k, then we should write 4i plus 4j, coefficient of 4i that is 4, then j that is 4, then k that is 0. Here I means that is 2, it's not there, so we should write there 0, then we should write 4. Okay, then we can find out that we have already studied this is positive and this is negative and this is positive. First we should take I cap, we should eliminate this column and this row. Then we know that is 4004. Then 4 into 4 means that is 16 minus 0. 16 minus 0. Then minus j cap into, then we should remove this row and this column. Okay, then we will get 4024. 4 into 4 means that is 16 minus 2 into 0 means that is 0. Then plus k into, then we should remove the column this one and row this, then we will get 4 4 2 0. Then 4 into 0 means 0, 0 minus 2 into 4 means that is 8. Then we will get 16 I cap minus 16 j cap, then minus 8 k cap. Okay, 16 minus 0 means that is 16 I cap, minus j into 16 means minus 16 j cap, then minus 8 k cap. Understood? Find the unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector a plus b and a minus b, that is given by n cap is equal to plus or minus a plus b cross a minus b divided by modulus of a plus b cross a minus b. Then a plus b, first we should find out the a plus b, then a minus b, then we should find the cross product by using the determinant. So we get 16i minus 16j minus 8k. Okay. Then we have to substitute here n cap is equal to plus or minus a plus b cross a minus b means that is 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap divided by modulus of 16 square plus minus 16 square plus minus 8 square. Okay, then we will get minus, we should take 8 outside, then we will get 2 I cap minus 2 j cap minus k cap divided by root of 16 square plus 16 square plus 8 square, 16 square plus 16 square plus 8 square. On this we should take 8 square outside, 8 square outside, then you will get here 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. Understood? Then we will get plus or minus 8 into 2 I cap minus 2 j cap minus k cap divided by this 8 square we should take outside of the root, then we will get 8 into root of 4 plus 4 means that is 8 plus 1 means 9, root 9 means we will get 3. So we can cancel this 8 and 8, that is equal to plus or minus 2 by 3 I cap, then plus or minus this minus, then we will get minus plus 2 by 3 j cap, then here also minus, so we will get minus plus k cap by 3. Okay, understood? So first we should find n cap is equal to plus or minus, n cap is equal to plus or minus a plus b cross a minus b divided by modulus of a plus b cross a minus b. N cap is equal to plus or minus a plus b cross a minus b means that is 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap. Then we should find the modulus of that. Then we will get root of 16 square plus minus 16 square plus minus 8 square. Then we should take 8 outside. Then we will get 2 I cap minus 2 j cap minus k cap. Then from here we can take 8 square outside. Then we will get here 2 square. 8 into 2 that is 16. So we will get here 2 square. Here also 2 square and here we will get 1 square. This 8 square if you take it outside of the root then we will get 8. Then 2 square means 4 plus 1 means 9. Root 9 means 3. Okay. We will get plus or minus 2 by 3 I cap minus plus 2 by 3 j cap minus plus k cap divided by 3. Understood? Then we can see next question. Now this is the fourth question. Third question we will take in the next class. Okay. Show that vector A minus B vector cross A vector plus B vector, that is equal to 2 times of A cross B. Okay, we can see now A vector A minus B vector cross A vector plus B vector, that is equal to A cross A, vector A cross vector A, then plus A cross B, vector A cross vector B, then minus B vector cross A vector, then minus B vector cross B vector. We know A cross A, that is equal to, correct, 0. So B cross B also 0. A cross A, that is equal to B cross B, that is equal to 0. Okay, here we can write 0 and there also 0. Then you know minus B cross A is equal to A cross B. Minus B cross A, that is equal to A cross B. So we can write here A cross A means that is 0. A cross B, then A cross B, minus of B cross A means that is A cross B, so plus A cross B, then minus B cross B means that is 0, then we will get 2 times of A cross B. Okay, A minus B, vector A minus B cross vector A plus vector B, that is equal to 2 times of A cross B. First we should cross it, then A cross A plus A cross B minus B cross A minus B cross B. A cross A and B cross B, that is equal to 0. Then minus B cross A is equal to A cross B. So we can write here 0 and then A cross B plus this is A cross B, then this is 0. Then we will get 2 times of A cross B, that is equal to 2 into A cross B. Am I correct? Okay. Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining problem we will see in the next class. Until then, bye bye.